So in today's video, we're going to talk about this one thing that can make or break your association. Over the years, what we've realized is that the strength of a community is really solely dependent on the strength of the team at that association. But before I get into this, it's important that I mention that I'm going to talk about the team that management would place at your community association. It's equally as important that the board of directors are in alignment with the vision and direction that they want to take within their community association. So I won't get into all of that because that'll be a whole separate video, but I want to focus on what we do at Affinity in order to ensure that we put together a team that aligns to our core values and aligns to the vision of your community association. So at Affinity, we've made a choice to not be the biggest, but we made a choice to work with the right associations that align with our core values. Why is that important? Because we have found over the years that if you align with our values, then we can easily help you get to the vision that you have and you understand the importance of having a partnership. So through our process, when we're onboarding new team members that will be servicing your community association, we're ensuring that these team members align to our values and they get it, want it, and have the capacity to be able to do the job that's necessary at your association. Additionally, what's important in order to build that killer team is to ensure that you have a very strong feedback loop with those team members every 90 days. So what we're doing every 90 days is having a check-in with our team, ensuring that they're meeting the core values, ensuring that they get it, want it, and have the capacity. And if they don't, then we're having those difficult conversations with those team members so that they understand what they need to do in order to improve in the following quarter. So what are the benefits to you as a board member in us doing this? What we've realized is when we have team members that get it, want it, and have the capacity, then we're really able to execute the vision for the association. We don't have team members really holding us back from really moving things forward. And if there are roadblocks, then the board understands that we're aligned with them, our core values align. We understand that nothing in this world is perfect, but we're working together to push through, and we're having those difficult conversations in order to move the association forward. So while this can seem a little bit challenging and difficult, it's what we found over the years not only creates a solid team, but also creates a team that's willing to break through walls and do what's necessary in order to do the right thing for the community association and for the organization. So if you want to learn a little bit more of how we at Affinity build strong teams to help execute your vision in your association, we welcome you to visit our website, managedbyaffinity.com. If you've liked this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel as we have weekly videos coming out. I'll see you in our next video.